Hello friends, welcome back to Rainbow Shot Academy, and today we are going to know about the world's fastest and deadliest cruise missile. Yes, you are right, it's BrahMos. So before starting this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. So let's begin. So BrahMos is a medium range supersonic cruise missile that can be launched from submarine, ship, aircraft, land. It is world's fastest cruise missile as it travels faster than the speed of sound. So it is a joint venture between India and Russia. Together they formed BrahMos Aerospace. In this aerospace they will upgrade BrahMos to next level. The BrahMos cruise missile is based on Russian's previous model of P-800 Onyx cruise missile, which is similar to BrahMos, but BrahMos is an upgraded version of this missile. The name BrahMos is formed from Brahmaputra of India and Moskva of Russia. That's why it's called BrahMos. Before going further, let's discuss about the specification of BrahMos. It can fly at an altitude of minimum of 5 meter to the maximum of 14,000 meter. Within this range it can fly. Cruise missiles are those missiles which fly parallel to the surface of Earth. They used to fly at a low altitude because it makes harder to detect cruise missile flying at a low altitude for any defense system of any country. So the diameter of this missile is 70 centimeter and the wingspan is around 1.7 meter. This wingspan is included in this missile because when it is launched from an aircraft, it dropped down to a particular height. After that it uses its wing to glide. That's why the wingspan is used in this missile. After that its speed is around 2.8 Mach, which is almost 3 times faster than the speed of sound. The maximum range of BrahMos missile is 450 kilometers. So the warhead carrying capacity is different for ship launched and air launched. The ship launched and land based missile can carry up to 200 kg of warhead, whereas aircraft launched variant can carry around 300 kg warhead. Now let's see the different variation or variant of BrahMos missile. So first variant is surface to surface. That means a missile launched from surface to attack on surface. So the first BrahMos missile was tested in 12th June 2001 from integrated test range of Chandipur. The second test was conducted in 2004. The BrahMos was fired from a mobile launcher. After that in 2008, the land attack version of the missile was fired from destroyer INS Rajput. INS Rajput is a destroyer of Indian Navy. The missile hit and destroyed the right target among the group of target. This shows the accuracy of this missile. This missile has a pinpoint accuracy. The next variant is submarine launched variant. That means it can be launched from submarine. The submarine launched variant of BrahMos missile was tested in Visakhapatnam in the coast of Bay of Bengal in 2013. It was launched from 40 meter to 50 meter of depth and it also hit the target with pinpoint accuracy. In 2016, Russia told that they will manufacture submarines and BrahMos missile so that the BrahMos missile can be fit in the torpedo tube of submarine, which will not only give a strength to Indian Navy but also upgrade the war capacity of Indian submarines. Then comes the third variant, that is air launched. The air variant of BrahMos is known as BrahMos A. A denote air. Only Sukhoi Su-30 MKI has the capacity of carrying the BrahMos missile. And the disadvantage is that Sukhoi can only carry one BrahMos missile at a time because of its weight. So in the upcoming upgradation, they will reduce the weight, size and everything so that Sukhoi can carry at least 3 BrahMos missile, but now currently it can carry only one BrahMos missile. Now just look at the future development of this BrahMos. So India and Russia are planning to develop the next level of BrahMos, which is called BrahMos 2. It is a hypersonic cruise missile and it is an underdeveloped project and it has an estimated range of 290 km, which is less than the current BrahMos missile. The advantage of BrahMos 2 is that it has the double speed of the BrahMos 1. The maximum speed BrahMos 2 can attain is 7 Mach, that is 7 times the speed of sound. That means no aircraft can run away from BrahMos missile because usually the aircraft have a speed of around 2 Mach, 3 Mach, 4 Mach, but no aircraft can run away from BrahMos because as it has a speed of 7 Mach. So this project will be developed within 7 to 8 years. So it is a long time, we have to wait for that. The next version which India and Russia are planning to develop is BrahMos NG, next generation. It is a smaller version of BrahMos. It has the same range of 290 kilometers. Speed is more than the BrahMos, as the current BrahMos has 2.8 Mach. This will have 3.5 Mach speed. This missile will be smaller in size as the weight will be reduced, the length and the diameter will be reduced. As the size of this BrahMos is small, it will make very hard for the enemy defense system to track this BrahMos missile. So BrahMos NG can be launched from land, air, ship and submarine. The first test flight is expected to take place in 2022 or 2024. Now let's see the deployment of BrahMos in Indian Navy. In Indian Navy in 2013, BrahMos was introduced in 8 warships, which include INS Rajput Destroyer class, INS Talwar, Shivalik class, Kolkata class, Vishakhapatnam class destroyers, Nilgiri class. So this BrahMos is carried by either destroyer or frigate. Then in Indian Army, the BrahMos was introduced in 2007 before Indian Navy. So these all regiment are listed below. 861 regiment which is deployed in Rajasthan, 862 regiment which is deployed in south of Rajasthan, then 863 regiment and 864 regiment in Arunachal Pradesh. The recent standoff between India and China, the deployment of BrahMos along with long-range cruise missile of Nirbhay and Akash has been placed eastern border of Ladakh. So in Air Force, as we know, it can be carried by only Sukhoi. So it is with the Squadron 222, the Tiger Shark. So in this video we are talking about cruise missile. So let's see what other cruise missile India has. Other than BrahMos, India has an indigenous developed Nirbhay cruise missile with the range of 1000 km. The length of Nirbhay is 6 meter. The warhead it can carry from 200 to 300 kg, but its speed is less than BrahMos, which is 0.6 Mach. So before ending this video, let's also compare the cruise missile our neighbor countries have, especially Pakistan and China. So if we look at China, China has CJ-10, a land attack cruise missile which is capable of carrying a nuclear head, and its range is 1500 km and it can carry 500 kg of payload. But its speed is very low. So if we compare ourselves with China, so BrahMos is a game changer. If we talk about our next neighbor, which is Pakistan, it has 4 cruise missiles. It has 4 different cruise missiles for 4 different launches. For air launch they have Raad. For ground and underwater launched they have Babur. So for ship launched they have Harba. For surface launch they have Jarb. And the Rahad and Babur can carry a nuclear warhead, and their range is 350 km and 700 km respectively. If we see the comparison of cruise missile of our country and with the rest of our neighbor, India is more powerful in comparison with the cruise missile. So that's all for today guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We at Rudrapur have state-of-the-art campus and a full-fledged GTO ground. So every month we have 3 batches of 12-day SSB course. Apart from that, we have a 5-day GTO course and we also organize a PPDT overview for a very nominal charge. If you're interested to know more about any of these courses, make sure that you give us a call or drop us an email on the number and email ID which is appearing on your screen. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get the latest updates of the Academy. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.